So about 2 or 3 months ago, I think it was, I found this website called Replica Studios. And I thought it was really cool because you can record your voice and then send it to their website, and it will recreate your voice basically using AI. And so I thought this was really cool because I was like, well, I can use this for a lot of things, if it's like late at night and I can't edit videos at the time, I could just use this, or voice lines, whatever. I just thought it was a really cool idea, and you could use it for a lot of things. So I started working on my voice, as I'm going to show you in this video, and I'll also show you how to make your own voice using this website, and hopefully you find it as useful as I do sometimes. So what you're going to want to do is open your browser and go to replicastudios.com, and then you can either click Get Started for free or Create an Account. They both take you to the same place, so it doesn't really matter which one you click. Just for the sake of the tutorial, I will create a new account, but I do already have one. So I'll enter my information, and I'll make my new account. Sign up. And you will need to confirm your email address to continue on. So open up your email, find the email that was sent to you by Replica Studios, and confirm your email address. The link that was sent to you in the email should send you to a page that looks like this. Once you read through it and hit I agree, it should take you to your dashboard. Alright, so once you're at this page, you're going to want to go over, and you should see something that says Voices over here on the side. So go ahead and click that, and then, once you're here, you shouldn't have a voice, but I signed in, and this is the voice that I've been using. So, once you get to this page, go ahead and click New Voice up here in the top corner, and it'll ask you to record a replica voice print. Before we can create a replica voice, we require you to record a voice print. Just a small amount of audio, should take only 10 minutes. Go ahead and give it a name, and enter some tags. You can select a color if you want, or upload an image, but go ahead and click Next. And then click here in the middle, click on this little button, Record Voice Print. So it just gives you a couple tips here. Just a couple tips for you to follow. Go ahead and click Begin. And then you'll need to record all of these 20 passages. So go ahead and you click on this first one. When a man looks for something beyond his reach, his friend says he is looking for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So go ahead, read it a couple times just to practice it so it sounds more natural. And then you go ahead and click Record. When a man looks for something beyond his reach, his friends say he is looking for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Mine did not record. What? Okay, so it looks like I just needed to refresh the page. So, as you can see, if it doesn't work, it'll say, transcriptions failed, try again. And so then you can hit record. When a man looks for something beyond his reach, his friends say he is looking for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Whoops, okay, well, we'll just hope that's good. I'm going to speed through the rest of these so you can see what happens after you finish recording. Alright, so once you have all 20 of these recorded, this little button at the bottom, we'll be able to click it and you'll be able to finish. Obviously, I sped through these, but if you're going to do this yourself, you should take more time and make sure that it sounds how you want it to. So, hit finish, and it says, we've started creating your names, we've started creating your voice print. The estimated training time is 2 hours. We'll send you an email when it's ready. So just go ahead and hit back to voices, and it should show up under here, processing. And so you can, you'll just have to wait for it to finish processing, basically. So it does say wait about 2 hours, and you will get an email. Okay, so once your voice is done processing, you should get an email, and it should say your replica voice is ready. So go ahead, and it'll tell you how to use it. I'll show you, and then it also tells you how to train it. So to use your voice, you go back to the website, and you click over here on projects, and then you have all your projects. So go ahead and click new project, because you shouldn't have any, and then you can type you want it to say, and then over here you click on this little plus, and then click on your voice. So I'm going to use the one we just created, and then you go ahead and hit play, and it'll process it, and it'll go ahead and speak it for you. So if you want to use this like in your videos, you can then hit export, audio format. If you have more than one dialogue, then you can select if you want both of them or just one of them. And then if you want them like two separate files or one file, then you can go ahead and hit download. I'm going to delete this project because I don't need it. And so this is my project. This is what you heard at the beginning of the video. And so I can make it, I can have it speak it again. And so obviously I exported it so I can use it in this video. Okay, so if you've already made your voice print and you want to improve it further, then in this email that they send you, it should say Step 2 Train Your Replica Voice. So you can download the recording guidelines, and download the scripts and record it and send us the files. So basically what you do is you download these scripts here. It'll take you to Dropbox, and then hit direct download, and they will load, and you can go ahead and open them. And so as you can see, it has the recording guidelines, or like the tips for you, and then it has all these lines. So you'll go ahead and open, I like to use Audacity, but you can use whatever you want. Go ahead and open it. We'll just discard that. And then once you're ready, you can hit record, and you can go ahead and say this first line, and then as you can see, the 2-second pause, say the second line, and then you do that. So you go through and you do all of these down here, and once you get to the end, it should say save as, and so you will go ahead and obviously save it, or export it and save it as this. And then if you want to do the next one, go ahead, say the lines, it's 2-second pause, and save it as South Park. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to record all of these, and then I will show you what to do after. Alright, so now that I've got all of these different lines recorded, it says, please send us the files to this email and then use Dropbox or whatever. So I have already sent this, so I'm going to show you what I did. I said, here's the link to all the files from training my voice, and do make sure you include the name of the voice. So this was for my first voice, so I put the name, and then the link, and as you can see, here's all the different files that I've done. And so he replied, hi, we've started the training process. Normally it takes a few days. And so then, obviously, a couple days later, he emailed me back again saying, your voice has finished training and is available for testing. And then he sent me some more scripts to use if I want to train my voice further. So to use this new updated voice, you do the same thing. You go to projects, new project, and then you just select the voice, and it should be updated. But he sent me these new scripts, and it's much more. This one is only 25 pages, the first one he sent me. The second one is 115 pages of lines. So I've been working on doing this, and then I will, obviously once I'm done, I will submit these to him, or to Replica Studios again, for them to continue to train my voice further.